In this video, you will learn how to share a sales funnels from one system.io account to another. For doing this, you will need a system.io account and a sales funnel. Open your system.io dashboard and come over here sales funnels. Now let's say I want to share these funnels with another system.io account users. So what I need to do, I will just click over here and then I will just click share. Then from here I will just copy link to clipboard. I will just copy the link, and now if I share the link with anyone's, then he will see the funnel into his system.io sales funnel dashboard. This is my another account. In this account, if I come over here sales funnels, then see here I don't have any funnels. So now what if happened if I just paste the link, or if I just open the link and then press enter, then see the sales funnel is automatically added to my sales funnel tab. Now see if I come over here and if I reload the page, then here you can see that sales funnel is updated over here. Now go to my main account and if I see the funnel, so if I click over view, then see this funnel is look like this. Now come to this account and if I open the funnel, see it's also the same. Now here you can see the domain is another, and now I want to change the domain. So for doing that, just click over here, then click on settings, and from now I will choose my this domain, this .com domain, and then I will just click save. Then the domain will be changed. Come over here and reload the page and click here, click view. Then see our domain has been changed. Now come over here. Now let me show you another thing. Here you can see when someone click over here, this home dash this text. I don't want this text. I just want when someone enter this domain, they will see this page, not this home text. So what we need to do, just open the funnel and just come over here. Just from here, just click the funnel, and then from here URL path, just delete this part, and then just click over outside, then it would be saved. Now if we click over here view funnel step, then see now it's just the domain, no other text over here. So that's it for this particular video. I hope you guys learned something new. Thank you for watching and keep watching our videos.